Welcome to the video. Tim Thomas here. Before we start the video, make sure you like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Tap the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Welcome to the video. I got a great one for you today. We're going to talk about some Forex trading. We're going to talk about the Money Blocks flyer, what we've got going on. 24 it was incredible. And I tell you what, 25 is going to be even better. We are on a rocket ship to the moon. Welcome to the video. So, hey, I'm going to roll this intro and then I'll partner back with you on the other side. Tim Thomas here again. Make sure you go ahead and like the video. Hit that like button. I really appreciate it. Hey guys, I'm going to talk about the program that I want to talk about for the last couple of days, last couple of weeks. I'll tell you something, had something big. But first of all, before we get there, you can check out the YouTube channel and some of the things that we've got going on. Multiple streams of income. Multiple streams of income is how you build wealth exponentially. That's how you build wealth beyond your wildest imagination. And I'll tell you what, I mean, and money can come in a lot of it. We're going to talk about what you can make in some of these videos. I tell people all the time, as an income disclaimer, in life nothing happens until you take action and you do a lot of it. I tell you what, I am floored by the response that we're getting in our programs. These programs are just on a tear. Residual income, make money today income, all kinds of sources of income. Folks, I tell you what, multiple streams of income is where you can go from making, $500 a week to having several thousands of dollars a week or a month. It's possible. And we're living the dream right now, turning dreams into reality. I want to talk to you about the Money Block program quickly. I want to appreciate all of you that have partnered in this program. Some of you watching the video today are getting the money together. This program is going to be a game changer, life-changing. Information has been shared. Check out some more of my videos. I'm going to get back to Money Blocks. Money Blocks is a super big launch. I'm launching two programs at the same time. Money Blocks, and we're going to be working with the private trade room. I'm going to show you what the private trade room is. It's a Forex university. I'm talking about that in just a minute. But the Money Blocks flyer, folks, get it together. Here are my positions, folks. Jose Green is on my flyer, my sponsor. And then we have Greg Bethea is on the flyer, and then we have the admin at the bottom. So these are the levels of participation: the 50, the 100, the 150, 250, 350, 500, 750, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. Folks, I'm telling you, get this flyer today. This is where life-changing money can be made at the beginning. Folks, you get in it at the first 2 years of this program, and you can have the potential get you a ticket to the moon. I've done these programs before, and look at this. It says, receive $2,500 or more on a weekly basis. Is it possible, folks? We're going to give it a try. So, great things are happening. Check out my other video on the channel for Money Blocks. Let me see. I got it right here. Greg did it again. That is my introduction to Money Blocks. We're going to talk about it more in some more videos. I'm going to do video after video after video on Money Blocks, so it's coming. What I wanted to talk about in this video, and I was a little cautious, but to present this because I was launching two programs at one time, and I didn't want people to get lost. Sometimes people have that short-term vision. Hashtag I don't want to get lost. I don't want to get people lost in what we're trying to get accomplished. But what I've got a time-sensitive offer. Now, I have partnered. Some of you know I am a Forex trader. I trade Forex and cryptocurrencies. I have several opportunities I'm involved in, far as having cryptocurrency. When you get money into the programs like these, then you put it to work and diversify it in buying crypto and Forex trading. Well, I partnered with what we call the private trade room. Look at that, folks. The private trade room. We're going to talk about this. It's a Forex university. It can teach you how to trade. If you don't know how to trade, teach you how to trade. And you can even take signals. Now, for those of y'all that don't want to learn how to trade, don't want anything to do with it, if you want, just to receive signals, you can just receive signals. This is for the beginner, intermediate, and advanced people. you know, and then you can receive signals through 2 to 3 times a day for signals. We have a private trade group copier where the trades can be copied into your account, and we have a Discord group and a Forex community. You can even earn passive income by referring your friends to this program, or people, other individuals. Private trade room is very exciting, folks. I'm excited about it. What really appealed to me is the done for you. They could even have what we call PAM services. This is private account management, meaning, and I'll show you how this thing works. They can manage the account for you. For those of y'all that are busy, that all you want to do is log in and check your stats. They can manage your account 100% for you. They can get the funding that you need through platform services, and they can help you get your challenge passed. I've just recently got funded for up to $200,000. My account was passed within less than 24 hours. I got certification that I got a trading account that I could trade up to $200,000. Folks, that's a game changer. The firm that we partner with can go up to $1 million. Are you listening? Folks, this is some big stuff. And how this thing works is explained in this video. How Kenny J, he explains how it works. It says 5 days left to take 50% off any challenge. We've got proof of payouts same day they can pass it. Happy New Year. This video here, I will drop it into the link, the description of this video. I'll drop this video and how you can get started. Kenny J and Mike Taylor go over some amazing accomplishments that they have been able to achieve in their private trade community. We show payouts of clients receiving services, payouts hands-free trading experience. And folks, again, let me show you. Here is a payout of one of the members, 4,600. Here's another one, 2,000. These are just proof of payouts through our prop firm partner. Did you know that in 2024 alone, we have funded over 300,000 in clients, over $70 million in funding directly to private trading room members? Folks, this is incredible. They helped get 300 people funded. Our goal is to double that. You want to be a part of this amazing community, get funded today. You can get funded right now through the 10th, and you can receive 1 week of free private account management. That's why I'm bringing the video to you. Like I said, I was kind of, I want to launch 2 programs in 1 week, but I wanted to get this out to you just in case you want to reach out and get this through the 10th. Now, with the account management, these PAM accounts, if you want it managed for you, you have to, take action before the 10th. They're going to be, taking limited spots of people. So this won't be available, forever. But right now, while you can get in, and once it fills up, what they'll do, I believe they'll put people on a waiting list. But I want to get that out to you so you can make an informed decision. I'll put the video in there of these guys explaining how this thing works and why you should take advantage of it. Very powerful information. Let me show you what I was able to get funded. Look at this, folks. We've got different people that they help pass the funding challenge. We've got this person here. Look at this, Timothy Thomas. I've got my account size is 200. Let me get that out the way. Let me stop that. Switch. So as you can see, different people have had their accounts. They were able to get account funding. This is $100,000 account. This is a $200,000. This is $100,000. This is $100,000. So different people have been able to get funding with our prop firm partner. Again, here's mine. Let me show you. Timothy Thomas, $200,000. So what they're going to do, they're going to be trading for me with $200,000 worth of capital. And folks, very exciting. If you want to know more details, you can simply fill out the information below. I'll have the link that you can fill out to get more information. You can send me some information. I'll send you some more videos with how this thing works. So very excited about what we've got here. with Paradise Capital and the private trade room. Here's the private trade room. It's going to help us learn. Again, let me show you a quick video of what you're getting when you get involved with the private trade room. Turn this up.
Where exclusive services meet financial freedom. We are a private trade community dedicated to empowering traders of all levels with tools and resources that lead to success and gaining financial freedom. At the heart of our community is PTFX University, offering courses tailored for everyone, from beginners just stepping into the Forex world to seasoned traders looking to sharpen their skills. Whether you're a novice, intermediate, or advanced, our university provides the knowledge you need to thrive. Also, we know many of you are working hard to pass those challenging prop firm tests. That's why we offer our prop firm passing service, helping you ace those challenges and secure funding for your trading journey. That's not it. We know all of you want winning trade setups. We've got you covered on this as well. We provide FX trade signals. These signals will provide you the best opportunities in the market, allowing you to focus on making the right trades at the right time and increase your profits with minimum effort. Going further, these days automation is key to staying ahead in trading, and our automation software does the heavy lifting for you. Whether you're a part-time trader or just want to automate your strategy, we've got the perfect solutions to fit your needs. And yes, we haven't ignored the account management side. Our private account management service provides reasonable returns while we manage your portfolio, giving you the peace of mind to enjoy your financial breakthroughs. So with PTFX University, you can get educated and funded while connecting with a powerful community through our Discord channel. And that's not all. As a member, you'll have access to our vibrant private trade room community on Discord, where you can connect, learn, and grow with like-minded traders. Now, for all these amazing services in one place, simply head over to our website, privatetraderoom.com. Scroll down and click on the sign-up button. Fill out the form, and one of our lead admins will contact you to guide you through the enrollment process. Join today and take the first step towards a life of financial freedom. The private trade room awaits you.
Okay, guys, that is the information for this. We've got a special running. They are running a special New Year's special through the 10th. You can get 50% off any of your funding challenges. I think they start around lowest 50 all the way up to $1 million in funding that you can secure. Very excited about that. Again, I will link this video in the description of this video. And if you decide to get started, let me show you where to go. If you decide you want to be a part of this, you will get some questions answered. What you're going to do, you're going to go to PTXfunding.com. Let me key that in. PTFX Funding. PTXfunding.info. PTXfunding.info. What you're going to do, you're going to fill out this information. Your first name, your email address, your phone number. And it's going to ask you about, are you an active member? And the main thing you want to do here, you're going to find out, a quick questionnaire, find a little bit about you, how you got interested in this, how to contact you, and who referred you. Make sure that I was referred to the program. It says if you were referred by a PTFX member, please place their name below. Make sure you put my name here, and make sure that I know also that I referred you. Let me know that you are coming in or interested in the program. Folks, I got something pretty exciting here. This is going to be a done-for-you service. And at the same time, if you want to learn it, you can learn it. It's totally up to you. I found something that folks, everybody can participate in. A lot of people got money versus time. So, and some people got a little bit of both. But anyway, you be the judge. Exciting times are ahead. 2025 is going to be incredible. Again, I am going to put this video here. It explains everything that you need to know about the opportunity, about the private trade room, about what is offered with the private trade room and account management services. All right, folks, that's my time for today. Hope you have a wonderful day. I look forward to getting all of you into the Money Blocks program, getting you going. And again, just check out the channel in general. We've got some exciting things, residual income forevermore, and I could not be more excited. Path is absolutely incredible, and we want you to come along with us. That's my time for today, folks. This is how the wealthy gets wealthier. This is how the rich gets richer, and we want to partner with you on today. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. And to the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll send you some additional videos about the private trade room. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.